Alright guys, so welcome to today's video. In this video I'm actually going to be straightening this hair. It is from Longqi. Here is their Brazilian wavy wig. It's 22 inches. It is Brazilian hair. I did another video where I already dealt with the lace. So for the lace, all I did was use my foundation on the lace itself. I didn't bleach the knots or anything like what I usually would do, because I wanted this to be done by anybody. You don't have to be professional. You don't have to go and get like bleaching stuff. I really apologize for the noise. Oh my god, you guys, I was trying to do this intro quite quickly because for the rest of the video it's a voiceover. So but this is what we're doing today. 22 inches Longqi hair, and yeah. Alright guys, so sorry for the abrupt ending. Is actually a lot of things going on in this video. This makeup looks familiar because I filmed more than one video in this day, but look at this wig. You guys, look at this wig. I am completely in love. I am the fullness. This looks like I'm wearing bundles, bruh. It looks like bundles. So what I did is, oh my god, look at that. So I have a curling video on this, but this is a real wig, that pre-made wig. I didn't make this wig. It's a pre-made wig, 22 inches. That's my Vanity Planet flat ironing brush. I'm an affiliate with Vanity Planet, and I will link, the link is always in my description bar for that flat ironing brush, and it's 70% off. And of course I make a commission when you use my link. Is there a code? Yeah, and my code. Once I told him, I think it's both or one. But anyway, everything's in the description bar below. So what I'm saying to you is, I'm just gagging at the fullness of this wig, because I didn't really expect it to be this full. Because you know, sometimes I get some wavy ear. Hey puppy. Sometimes I get some wavy ear. I'm not telling for thin out after a while. It's like when the waves drop, which when I got the wig, it was hella wavy. Then the waves fell. You see me? I don't know what order these videos are going to be up in, but the wave actually fell. So when I wanted it to you guys, it looks so good, as you guys saw in the first clip. Epic, 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 epic. So now I'm just flat ironing it, and it is hella silky soft. Now I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm not doing like the comb and the brush thing to make it smooth or whatever. I'm just using my flat ironing brush, and I'm just grabbing huge chunks. I just flat ironing it. That's basically all I'm doing. I'm looking to the side because my mirror is to the side right there. So that's basically all I'm doing, and I really want these series of hair videos to be extremely manageable, doable. You know what I'm saying? Because I mean, I'm slaying this lug hanging all over, but it's a combination of more than one thing. It's my makeup, it's my hair, it's my lashes, it's my lips, it's everything that completed the look, right? So let's talk about the hair. I'm not new to Longqi. Been working with them for years, you guys, and unfortunately this video is going to be a voiceover, okay? So I've been working with them for years. I absolutely love working with them. They're an amazing company. The hair quality is just bomb.com. I did not silk press this. The hair that you saw in the beginning is how it looked after I flat ironed it with the straightening brush. If you want to do the whole silk press method, then honey, it's going to be epic. I mean, I love seeing silk pressed hair. I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. I've never had my hair silk pressed before. I've never done it before, but it looks absolutely gorgeous. So this wig was pre-made. It make already used not bundles that came together, and I made the wig. This is a traditional wig made by Longqi. It's a lace frontal, and all I did to the lace is I used my foundation on it. If you want to go ahead and use if you want to use like the bleaching method and do a wig, then I mean that's completely up to you. But I didn't want to do any bleaching method to do this wig. I wanted it to be easy to replicate, and this is what it looks like. Like one side curly, one side straight. I just think it looks gorgeous. The curly side, it looks really nice. Full, light. It is so light on my head. And then the straight side just looks nice. Full, look at that. It's not thinning out or not like that. So I am pleasantly surprised by their units, by their wigs. Pleasantly surprised. So now here I am just running the flat iron through everything, and it's gorgeous. I really have nothing bad to say about this hair. I really have nothing bad to say about this hair. I really want to thank you guys again. I keep saying thank you. Please don't get annoyed with me for being patient with me for these videos, for these hair videos, because some companies I work with, they have paid for more than one video, so I have to bring that to you in a creative way. You know what I mean? So hopefully this dedicated video with me just flat ironing the hair. Look at how cute I look. I look so thin and cute. Yes, girl. I got hair, girl. Got hair, girl. Do thing, girl. So to adhere the hair to my head, I use Got to Be glue freeze spray. Got to Be freeze spray, yeah. So I use a Got to Be freeze spray to secure this to my head. I live in Jamaica. It doesn't really last long. I mean, if it's winter wherever you are, I'm sure it lasts long, but it doesn't last long here. Just running my fingers through it, nice and light. It is so light, you guys. It's hella light. Yeah, snagging, no snagging. My fingers are running through the hair. Now mind you, I just flat ironed it, so you know it's smoother. But I'll definitely update you guys via my social media, that's Instagram. So please go ahead and follow me on Instagram. But this is it, you guys. This is the end of the video. Just me talking about Longqi for 6 minutes straight. And again, thank you for your patience with me. And as I said, you know, when they pay for a certain service, I have to deliver. And I would like to thank you guys for allowing me to bring this content to you. By the way, I'm trying to do something different from my background. Let me know what you think about the white fur. I like it look run back this. So let me know what you think about it. But yeah, this is it, Longqi. Thank you so much for sending me this to review. You guys, please go ahead and check Longqi in the description bar below. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Toodles, guys.
Way up in the clouds like a